make melon jam using, and then this is the melon.
I just need my apron. It is but it doesn't fall. This is how the melon look inside. Incredible. Look at the color. This is the sweetness. And then I'm just going to remove all the inside here, boil them down, make jam and can them and share with my friends and family. And then no jam for me from the shop this month and next 3 months. Since I'm on a holiday, vacation holiday, I'm trying to prepare myself for next year. And next of many months. So this is the inside which I want. I didn't remove the seeds, but this time I'm lucky. I'm going to cut them also in small pieces. I've learned my lesson from making jam over and over. That it's better I do better preparation, then I will not suffer later. You see it already? Natural. How they will look like small pieces. Done cutting, so I'll use this pot. My jam is looking like this now. I'm just using this spatula to make 10. I'm waiting for it to get thick, but I think not so much time. But you see, things like this one should be removed. Guys, after a long day of turning this melon into jam, I'm now going to show you how I'm going to package them. I'm going to open up the jars. They're small, and then I put in this nice jam. Then, wow, so proud of myself. This homemade jam, guys. Like, I made this jam. So I made 3 jars of jam. Take this one. I clean so that there will be nothing that will make my jam go bad. All the jar, and make sure not to touch him inside the jar. The container is well covered. This one is the jam I'll be using these days, so it's okay to just stay like that. But this one I'm planning to keep. I'm just tossing them a bit. Then I'm going to put them in warm water and then seal them. This is the next day. I cover them with a cloth. So these are the bottles. I put them upside down. This is how you normally put them. And then this is how they look like after overnight. You can see. They are properly sealed, then I can keep this one for a few months. As for me, I think it's only, I will use this one within 2 months. So we are 2 and friends over. But I'm loving this jam, and I just have it for breakfast, and here is a photo of the breakfast.